when something has to happen, it has to happen. Now, honestly, we didn't even plan Arhan. It just happened. By the way, that department is not going to come to me because I am Hitler. I am called Hitler. The one thing which I think I love the fact is that Arhan has made me very patient.
मेरे यानी विशाखा के साथ जुड़ने वाली है एक ऐसी कलाकार जिनको आपने टीवी स्क्रीन पे काफी सारे रियल टाइम्स में देखा होगा माँ का किरदार निभाते हुए, जिन्होंने अपनी प्रेगनेंसी प्लान नहीं करी लेकिन शी वाज गिफ्टेड बाय द गॉड इटसेल्फ। मैं बात कर रही हूँ शुभवी चौकसी की, जिनको आपने कसौटी में देखा था। तो आइए चलिए बुलाते हैं शुभवी चौकसी को और जानते हैं उनके जरिए उनका ये ब्यूटीफुल जर्नी के बारे में, and also what does she has to say about this special eve of Mother's Day. She is a great actor. She is a great human being. And आज we have with us Shubhavi Chokshi. Firstly, welcome to Telly Chakkar and a very happy Mother's Day to you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Mother's Day है, हर साल कुछ ना कुछ स्पेशल करते होंगे, लेकिन unfortunately लॉकडाउन के कारण we're all stuck at home, or I should say fortunately that we're stuck at home. Any special plans that you have for this time's Mother's Day?
No. Last year also I thought that it will be the only year, so I was like, okay, chalo, I'm going to be like just doing like a video call, and I'm like, next year mama will go out. But this time the scenario is really bad, so I'm just going to again just do a video call.
To be very honestly, ever have you felt that pressure on yourself that what people think about me? Because there are so many people who get pressurized, and that is when they plan of having a child in life. There are so many people who have come out and spoken about that thing.
So you know what? I've been very fortunate. Number one, my mother-in-law told me that, have a child, it'll be very cute like you and Harshal and things like that. And only once I told mom, that's my mother-in-law. I said, Mama, let me concentrate. I'm really not prepared, and I will have it when, when it's time. I don't know when, but whenever it's time. After that day, she has never said a word. And then after that, I remember getting out of the clinic and telling Harshal, I said, baby, I'm pregnant. And he's like, how? I said, I don't know. And it's the most stupid and bizarre thing when we think about it. But we didn't plan a child. But I think it was just recently, 2 months ago or a month and a half ago, that when we saw him sleeping, in his bed, and we were like, shit, yeah, I think it is the best thing that happened to both of us.
Playing a mother on screen is still okay because obviously that's not actually a mom. But now that you are a mother in real life, has he turned you anywhere around, like changed things in you?
The one thing which I think I love the fact is that Arhan has made me very patient. He has made me younger. Like I remember after he was born, after 2 years, I think he was about 2.5 or something. I remember seeing my Kyunki ke, Kahani ke pictures, mere shaadi ke pictures, and I was really fat on the face at that time. And I used to look more mature. And I realized that even if I've put on weight, I somehow started looking younger after Arhan was born.
Tell me one of the most hilarious myths that you've heard about pregnancy, but then they are not really true.
I can't pinpoint on one, to be honest with you. I remember there was somebody in the 4th month or the 5th month said that, is your baby kicking? I said, baby must be so small. Now, how will I feel his kick? Or maximum so much. It's like, no. Like, no. Like, I could feel it. And I was like, acha. So the story goes that when I got pregnant, I straight away went to Dubai. And that time, Chamak Chullo was crazy. It was coming in after a couple of months. And I was listening to Chamak Chalo like I was crazy. I was like, jab ye film aayegi na, I'm going to watch it for the song. You won't believe. Suddenly, I'm like nicely listening to the song and everything, and suddenly one head turns from here, then the other head turns. And I'm like, acha, kuch to ho raha hai. And then there was Reema and Shamik, and they're looking like that. That's when I realized they were looking at my stomach. Arhan from inside, through my t-shirt, was like going, kicking like that. Yeah, they still talk about it. And I was like, okay, so I said, so that was a bizarre thing. 4th month mein kick kaise hota hai?
But while you were turning into a mother, I think the other person next to you was turning into a father. How had his feelings intensified when, all this was happening to you, or maybe when you were embracing such a period in your life? How was he?
He knew that this woman is is really half crazy, actually fully. He knew that, you know, if you put me in a cage, if you tell me to do something, I will not do it. You know, so he's like, you just enjoy, just be happy, do whatever you want, just take care. I'm like, yeah, I'm taking care, you know. So he was inside with me when I was giving birth to our child, and I didn't scream, I didn't shout, nothing. I was just holding his hand. A couple of days later, he told me, he's like, baby, you had so much strength. I thought you will take my hand out. He's like, Hulk or something.
Being a mother is one thing, then being a working mother is another. So how was it at that point in time? Did it ever struck to you कि शायद मैं उसके कुछ moments miss कर रही हूँ? I wish I was there, or maybe he was here with me, or those things of the sort?
That is the exact reason why I took a break of 6 years. Because what happens is that I was told, and I truly believe in it, that, you know, when your child's primal is formed till the age of 7. So I remember I had taken a break, and Arhan was about 2 years, I think 1.5, 2 years, when I had done Bade Achhe Lagte Hain. And that's when I said, "Ki, nahi yaar, I want to stay at home. I want to be at home." So that's when I just said that, okay, until he starts full school, I won't do it. So I actually not missed anything.
Be very honest. What kind of a mother are you? One day, if your son walks up to you and says, Mama, she is like, you know, the girl that I like, or maybe the girl I would want to date, or the girl I want to take out on a date, would you be the one suggesting him ideas, or would you be the one telling him, what?
By the way, that department is not going to come to me because I am Hitler. I am called Hitler. But I am a very righteous mother. Like, I've always been very practical with her. I've been very kuchi-kuing and all that. But I've taught him that black is black, white is white, and grey is grey. And there are shades of all this. Bachpan se, it's not only recently. And maybe that's why he's quite like, he's anyways a sensitive child, but he's very receptive towards a lot of things. So, agar wo girlfriend ka department hoga na, it won't come to me. It is only going to go to my husband.
Okay. What is the sweetest thing that your son has done for you until now? Be it on Mother's Day or a very normal casual day. What is the sweetest thing that he has done for you?
I still remember once he was very angry when he was teething. Must be about 13 months, 14 months, I don't know, not even a year and a half. And he had bit me. And I was like, I understood and I didn't say, because that the first 2 years now you have to minus on it. You can't do anything. You have to just be extremely patient. And from his medicine ka box used to be down. He went and his chutko hands, he couldn't even walk like properly. He used to hold and he used to walk. And I remember taking one some lotion or something and he came, Mama, earth, and he was putting it on. I was like, oh my God. A lot of things like this, yeah.
Being a mom is a huge responsibility, and you open-handedly, even though you didn't plan it, but then it just came to you open-handedly. But then there are so many moms out there, I think, who are maybe scared of being a mom, or who have their own suspiciousness or own doubts. What is that one message that you want to give them?
Be yourself and accept the way you are and how your child is. Your child is very different compared to everybody else, because you are very different compared to everybody else. This whole thing, you know, this one has done that, so I want this one to do that. It took me also a while, thanks to Harshad, because to actually accept the fact that he is different or she is different. You know, you try what you want them to do or what you like to do, but don't force them. Because at the end of the day, they are individuals by themselves. There will be 1,000 people, guys, to make you feel bad. Let me really tell you that. Okay? But just be yourself and just enjoy the moment, because this won't come back. 20, 30 years later, when you're going to sit and you're going to think about the silly things that he or she did or you did, trust me, that's what you're going to remember. So don't miss that out.
That's quite the word that you have said. I'm sure it's a pleasure having you. Thank you so much for joining with us on this Mother's Day special. I wish you a happy Mother's Day. Thank you so much from the entire team of Telechakra. Thank you for joining with us.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Moms the Word में आप सब लोगों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया है to actually join with us and to take back home a roller coaster, a bag full of memories of all these actors and their experiences, and maybe these experiences might help all the mommies out there who are planning or maybe who are a mother in real life to actually think about things in a very different manner. Until then, this is me, Vishakha Pandit, signing off for now. You do stay tuned to Telechakkar for all the more updates for the Tele world, and also a very happy Mother's Day. Until then, stay tuned.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.